Hi students, the next topic here is neutral point. The term neutral means that the all value gets cancelled and it will give you the result 0. So the neutral point concept here is related to the electric field. So it is a point where resultant electric field is 0. Okay. It is obtained where two electric fields are equal and opposite and they are strictly subtractive. Now let us have some idea that what and how to find out the neutral point. If I take two like charges, let us say this is Q1 and this is Q2. They both are separated by some distance R. Okay. And if I choose some point in between these two charges, I know that at point P, due to Q1, the electric field is towards right, which is E1. Whereas due to Q2 at point P, the electric field acts towards left, which is E2. In order to say this point P as neutral point, the net field, according to the idea of the concept, net field should be 0. That is, I should have E1 plus E2 should be equal to 0, which will give me that E1 vector is equal to minus E2 vector. What is the meaning for this expression? That E1 vector is equal and opposite to E2 vector. So that is why the meaning subtractive has come here. Okay. So basing on that, we are going to see the remarks here. The first remark is, for two like charges separated by a distance, the neutral point lies at an internal point along the line joining the charges. So see here, these are two like charges Q1 and Q2, and the neutral point P is lying mid between the two charges or in between the charges. And when can this point, that is neutral point P, will be equidistant from each other? That is only when the magnitudes of charges are equal. If magnitudes of charges are equal, then the neutral point lies at midpoint, because we know that E1 can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R by 2 whole square, and E2 can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R by 2 whole square. And these two will be equal if and only if, then it implies E1 is equal to E2. Therefore the point will lie at the midpoint. Is that clear to you guys? Okay. The second remark here, for two unlike charges, what is unlike? That one charge is positive and the other charge is negative, and vice versa, separated by a distance, the neutral point lies outside the line joining the charges. So if I take one charge plus Q1, another charge minus Q2, they both are separated by distance R. Okay. Then if I have an idea or an assumption that Q2 magnitude is less than Q1, then if I choose one point which is outside both Q1 and Q2, then strictly say that this point as P, which is at a distance D. Therefore the electric field due to Q2 will be acting towards left, which I say E2. Electric field due to Q1 will be acting towards right, which is E1. The magnitude of E1 will be less than E2. Okay, because the point P is far away from Q1 compared to Q2, and in that case there are chances that E1 and E2 gets cancelled to give this point P as neutral point with net electric field equal to 0. Okay, so that's what the remark is, that for unlike charges, neutral point lies outside the line joining the charges. And what is the trick here? That point P lies close to the charge which is having smaller magnitude. Okay, what if the magnitudes of charges q2 and q1 are equal? If q1 and q2 are equal, then this point only lies at infinity, or in this side also it will be lying at infinity. If magnitudes of charges are equal, then the neutral point lies at infinity. Please take note of these ideas and make a notes of it. Okay, thank you.